Got a 95 percentile in JEE Mains and still confused which NIT or IIT you'll get into? So today I'm going to break this information down to you about what is a rank or what is a percentile and how NTA calculates all this and what exactly you need to score in order to get into a good NIT or IIT, and what is the difference between your percentage and percentile and rank. How to increase your percentile will be an extra bonus that you will get at the end of this video. This is Dr. Swarndeep, your mentor and your chemistry faculty from IIT and Guide. So keep watching, students. So first things first, what exactly is your percentile and how it is calculated, students? So a percentile is not your percentage. A percentile is calculated like this. Let's say you get a 150 score out of the 300 total score, right, students? So out of that 150 that you got out of 300, that is the score that you got. But the percentile and how it is calculated is, so let's say out of the 2 lakh students who appeared for a particular exam, 1.5 lakh with a 150 score over 300 are behind you, right, out of the 2 lakh. So the number of students who are behind you divided by the total number of students into 100 will be your percentile. Now compare your score versus the percentile. Now you will realize that this curve, gets steeper when you reach from 98 to 99 to 100 percentile. Whereas now you'll also realize that jumping from 95 to 98 percentile will be easier. But going from that 95 to 98 or 99 will be much more difficult because the curve gets steeper. So yes, students, this is how the percentile is calculated. Now is the time to connect your percentiles with the colleges that you will get. For example, let's talk about NIT Trichy. They closed their CSC at around 99.5 percentile, that's nearly rank 7000. DTU on the other hand closed their mechanical branch at about, let's say, 35,000, that's 96 to 97 percentile. This is the 2024 data, students. Now, and IIIT Hyderabad closed their CSC branch at nearly about rank 2000. So students, you can understand that 95 percentile might be good, but it's not enough to make it into the good NITs or IITs of your choice. So this is the time that you can make your percentile rise steeper with good amount of tips and tricks and personalized care and concern from IIT and Guide. So a lot of students ask me, what if we get a harder shift? What if the exam is difficult? What if one of the branches, what is the physics, chemistry and maths is difficult in one of those days? And some students come up and say, today's paper was very easy. So what to do with that? So guys, don't worry. NTA uses normalization method for the kind of exams that they give. So normalization is there for harder days, for the the days in which the question paper is definitely harder. So they also understand this. So you must understand your same score will give rise to a different percentile on different days. So don't worry about that, right? It is normalized. So one must understand that it is not your percentile is going to get affected by the examination. So if you get an easier paper, but then there's a harder paper, then you don't need to get disheartened. So the percentile is definitely normalized. So one must understand one more thing also, that apart from that, there are rank predictors. They are only, they are only rough and they are roughly estimated. So don't go by that. And for the JEE Advanced, top 2.5 lakhs students are there which are eligible. Right, students? I hope I got the percentage, percentile and rank thing clear in your minds. So finally, students, now having told you about so many things, your rank, your percentile, all these things. So how to improve that percentile, ma'am? We need that kind of tip and trick from you. Right, so IIT and Guide is here for you, students. So don't worry. First of all, analyze what are your mistakes. So as the famous saying goes, once is a mistake, twice is a choice. So analyze your mistakes. Do not repeat those mistakes. Analyze high weightage topics and practice them regularly. Maintain a regular study, long marathon study type hour, right? So like 6 to 8 study hour, small breaks is very, very, very important. So maintain that study marathon, students. Don't repeat the same mistakes. Use, go on revising the high weightage topics. Give mock tests. Yes, the weekly mock tests are organized by IIT and Guide. Give your mock tests. Don't repeat your mistakes. Analyze them. Now, analyzing your mistakes is the most important thing, because once you realize your mistake and you do not repeat it, that automatically leads to a higher score resulting in a higher percentile, as I have told you. So all these things, students, they are here. These are the tips and tricks to improve your percentile and get a higher score and get a higher percentile, and get into your college of your dreams. So students, what are you waiting for? Come to IITian Guide, pass this message, pass this video to your study group, share this video as much as possible, and you know where to go for the best study and the best mentors. IITian Guide. Yes, students, all the best.